We can all relate to using foul language since swearing is a universal language. It's impolite, but it's also a fantastic method to communicate without talking too much. Although we were taught as kids that cursing is wrong and should be avoided, can you still recall the first time you overheard one of your friends swear? You two were probably a little closer as a result. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 7 reasons why people who swear a lot make good friends. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. They'll tell you the truth. Swearing can be an unintentional behavior that frequently happens when emotions are at their highest. According to a study, people who curse are more likely to be honest, sincere, and less self-conscious. Cussing can be evidence that someone is speaking honestly and without self-censorship, which is a highly desirable quality in a friend. We occasionally require a friend who will give us the truth, not what we want to hear. 2. They'll give sage advice. Since they are thought to lack the vocabulary to completely express themselves, people generally conclude that the more they cuss, the less clever they are. A study found that a person's ability to communicate and express oneself verbally increases with language proficiency, as does the breadth and depth of their vocabulary. 3. You can trust them. When friends swear at each other, there must be some degree of confidence that what is said stays inside the group. Case studies revealed that teams in industries where communication was key, such as manufacturing and ag, were more at ease making crude jokes that involved profanity and a certain degree of confidence. 4. They're funny as hell. Sometimes it's funny to simply add words that are not good, like the F word. By their very nature, swear words are humorous, and when they are combined, they become funnier. 5. They're always themselves. They aren't concerned with leaving a particular kind of impression while they are throwing F-bombs left and right. They don't try to hide their actual selves. They just are who they are. 6. They are straightforward. People that use profanity are honest, usually in very colorful ways. When they must express something that you could find offensive, they don't mince words. 7. Swearing is a stress reliever. It helps you decompress and makes you feel better almost instantly. Swearers are also much less likely to harm themselves or others while under stress or strain, which is another reason why they make terrific companions. Additionally, because they are relaxed and generally less agitated, they are more likely to be dependable. That's it for today, folks. If you know any other reasons why people who swear a lot make good friends, kindly share them with us in the comments.